Are you wanting to open up your view and get more light into your home? Ready to elevate your home with a new high-quality door? Well, transforming a window into a door allows you to open up your space, give your home more natural light, and provide you with another ease of entry into your home. But before investing in any home remodeling project, you want to know how it will benefit you and if it's worth it. So in this video, we'll discuss how turning your window into a door will benefit your home and how those benefits will overall enhance your living space. Hi, I'm Rebecca, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. So, you're interested in turning your windows into a door, but do you know what the actual benefits of this project are? Let's explore some of the top benefits of transforming your home with a new door from any existing windows. Number 1, more open space in your home. The first major benefit of turning your windows into a door is how it opens up the space of your interior, especially if you install a sliding glass door. Whether you turn a large section of windows into a sliding door or open up one window into another exterior door, it lets you open up your home more to the outside. More fresh air and an open view not only benefits your physical health, but your mental health as well. Number 2, increased natural light inside. Installing a sliding patio door in place of a series of windows allows sunlight to stream into your home more than the windows would. This can help you use less artificial light, ultimately lowering your energy consumption and saving you money. Natural lighting also benefits our mental health, just like the outdoors does. Even on dreary, cloudy days, the ability to have natural light highlight your home is beneficial. Number 3, ease of access. Having a new point of entry in your home provides you with the ease of access to a different area of your home. Whether it's walking out to your backyard or adding an exterior door into your garage, turning an existing window into a new door adds purposeful functionality to your home. Number 4, enhanced safety for your home. Adding a door to a wall with small windows or windows that do not open provides you with an easy exit in case of an emergency, such as a fire. So, if you have a room potentially in a secluded area of your home, adding a door will provide you with a convenient exit when needed. Number 5, it's less costly than starting from scratch. Another major benefit of turning an existing window into a door is the cost savings. You see, turning a window into a door is not as difficult as you may think. While, yes, the window does need to be removed from the wall and the opening needs to be expanded, this is much easier than creating a door from just a solid wall with no window already existing. The less work required, the less expensive it costs. Number 6, it's easier than other remodeling projects. Turning a window into a door can take as little as 1 day to complete. The process consists of removing the existing window, constructing a new opening to fit the door, and installing the new door. Then, the final touches, including caulk, trim, and paint, are completed to reveal your new door, transforming your home with a new exterior door. Now that you understand the top 6 benefits of turning your windows into a new door, you have a better idea of whether this project is right for you and how it will benefit your home. Anytime you plan to open your home up during construction, it can be a little nerve-wracking. Whether replacing a door or a window, you're siding, or turning a window into a door, the frame of your home is open to the elements. Because of this, it's crucial you find a trustworthy, local company to work with who will take care of your home and ensure your new door is installed properly. So how exactly do you do this? Above and below, we've linked a video that outlines 3 steps to finding the right home remodeling company for you. Then you can continue your research and confidently work with the right company for your project. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video for more home solutions. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.